Hello guys, so this is gonna be my first PC build. I'm gonna use this PC for my upcoming deep learning projects. Alright, so I'm just gonna show you the process. So to start, this is the motherboard B450 by ASRock ATX motherboard. The processor AMD Ryzen 5 3600. 6 core 12 thread. This is the GPU. We got RTX 2060 Super by NVIDIA and 8 GB of RAM. Good for basic deep learning. Two 16 GB RAMs. I got one RGB Cooler Master fan. 1 TB M.2 SSD PCIe Express. Right, and Cooler Master 550 full modular. Just 16 GB thumb drive to load the Windows 10 later on. The case by Cooler Master as well. Got 3 fans at the front, 1 fan at the back, another 2 slots of the fans up here with glass filter, mesh filter in front, tempered glass. Yep, not bad. RGB fans, by the way. RGB always make it faster. Alright, let's start building. Manuals, IO guard. Make sure to look for the golden triangle on the bottom left and line up with the triangle up here. Oh, heavy. This is. Just let it slide like that. So clip down. Alright. And take off this film on the bottom side of the armor. Yep, this end. Now the CPU bracket, sorry, the fan bracket. Let's take it off. Alright, let's install the stock cooler. Alright, one thing when handling this cooler, don't touch the thermal paste down there. Alright, so line up the cooler. I noticed the AMD here will be opposite of the writing, the writing on the CPU, so it will be this way. Alright, next is to connect the CPU connector. So just line up it nicely. So right now we'll grab the case. Put this aside for a while. Pull this thing back. Yeah, just like that. Cables. Put this aside first. Take the I/O shield. So I believe the circles here should be at the bottom. Alright, next we'll install the standoffs for the motherboard. Find the screws, the standoff screws in here. Yeah, leave this as it. From the case, your case should provide it. Alright, you can use this one. Alright, this is the standoffs, and use your screwdriver to screw that in. Alright, I've installed the standoffs. So actually you just have to find the A letter on the case here. So because I'm using ATX, A stands for ATX. So I just installed 1, 2, 3 here, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. Hold your motherboard like this by your CPU cooler. Line up your motherboard with the I/O at the back, and just screw it halfway first, and later on tighten everything up. Right now we'll plug in the rear fan connector. Okay, so actually this is the 4-pin header, and our fan only got 3 pins, so just need to plug in to 1, 2, 3. Okay, next I'll be installing the fan up here. I only got one though. I should actually buy another one, but that's right. You see the gut, the fan gut here. Fan gut will be facing outwards because we want to push the air outwards, so it will be like this. I'll thread these 2 wires to the back here. This is the 12-volt RGB connector for the top fan, and this one is the power connector for the top fan, and this one is the CPU cooler fan, and we got the back fan power connector up here. Okay, first we'll install the USB-C. Next is the HD audio. Right, the RGB connector. Next up is this So for the cables, we have the 24-pin ATX connector. This is the 8-pin CPU connector. This is the 6+2 PCI Express for our graphics card. This is the Molex connector for our. This is the SATA connector. I don't think we need this. Okay, now we'll plug in all the cables in the on the motherboard. Right, next we'll take the CPU pin, and the CPU pin will be, the CPU connector will be right here. Alright, next we're gonna install our beloved graphics card. Oh yes! Oh yes! Alright, we'll take off this thing. Plug our graphics card into the PCI Express. Alright, just like that. And the last step is to do cable management at the back here. Alright, done. Now we've plugged everything in and then we're gonna through. So we're just gonna plug in our bootable device. The 2 gig of memory, AMD Ryzen 5, processor speed 3600. Okay, let's boot to Windows 10. Change this boot option to our SanDisk and exit. Save, how to save? Save. Yes. Right now it's just a process of normal installation of Windows, and I think I'll end the video here and look at the glowing RGB. I'm so happy. Yep, I'll play around with this first and see how it goes. Thank you. Bye.